Hello, Dr. Nitin here. This video is about Copilot. Copilot is an umbrella term. It has many different copilots under it. And by the end of this video, you will know all about them. You will know what is the benefit and how to use them to your advantage. So what exactly is Copilot? Well, it's an AI assistant. You ask it to do something, and if it is capable of doing it, it will do it for you. So here is a quick example. I have a PDF file open in Edge browser. On the right side, I have opened the Copilot pane, which is a part of Edge browser. And I'm asking it to summarize this PDF. So there you have it. It has done its job beautifully and even given me cross-references with page numbers. So what can Copilot do? One of the two things. Either it will give you a completely new capability, which is very useful to you, or it will improve an existing functionality or activity. Windows, Edge, and Bing Copilot are free. Microsoft Copilot, which is Bing Chat Enterprise, means it is Bing Chat, but allows you to use your corporate data in a secure manner. That one is a part of E3, A3, or Business Standard or above. So if you already have that, in that sense it is free. Whereas Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is a part of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on, that you have to pay extra licenses. Power Automate, Power Apps, and Power BI also have copilots which have their own licensing. All of them use chatgpt behind the scenes. Some of them also use DALL-E 3 for image generation. The question is, why not use chatgpt and DALL-E 3 directly? Why go through Microsoft Copilot? The answer is, through Bing Chat, you are anyway getting both in an integrated manner. In case of Edge Copilot, while you are browsing a page, you can have ChatGPT working on top of it, which will not be possible so easily directly using ChatGPT. Here is another scenario. I'm using Copilot in Word, and I'm asking it to compare one presentation about corporate goals and match it with a new proposal I've got for partnership, and asking it whether this proposal or contract aligns with our corporate goals. Now that's a lot of manual work, but look at what it has done. In few seconds, it gave me this output. It told me it is based on that document. It gives me the evaluation criteria. It also tells me that it is going to score them on 1 to 5, gives me all the details, and then finally gives me a nice evaluation summary. This is outstanding. Could I have done this with just ChatGPT? No. So what am I getting? Productivity, security and compliance of my data, and integration between the latest AI and my familiar Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And that's the real power. I hope you found this useful. So you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Try this out. I have many other videos related to AI. Have a look. Have a great and efficient new year. See you soon. Take care.